Neurodiversity is a hot topic in diversity, equity, and inclusion work. We recently did a LinkedIn poll to ask people what topics would you be interested in learning more about, and neurodiversity was in fact the #1 priority. Why is that? Well, did you know that it's estimated at least 15% of the world's population has neurodiversity? Neurodiversity just simply means that your brain works differently than what we call the majority group. Your cognitive functions in your brain are different. And a lot of us, in fact, think differently. That's actually the benefit of diversity in the workplace, because when we have different perspectives, different patterns of thinking, when it's fully leveraged, we come up with better ideas, solve deeper problems, and have healthier businesses and bottom lines. So in this workshop, what we'll teach you is kind of the do's and don'ts, how to talk about neurodiversity in a positive way, how to bring more folks into the conversation, understand what it is, some of the key diagnoses that may be a part of that conversation, like autism, Asperger's, ADHD, and many more. In fact, it doesn't require a diagnosis. And just understanding the terms, the language, why it's important, and how to leverage neurodiverse talent in a way that creates that inclusive environment where everyone thrives. We hope that you'll learn more about this at nextpivotpoint.com.